like I was saying, you come right up the backbone.
Bass tastes bad, but you know what? It's a very firm meat. It tastes great.
Right, babe.
Learn one thing from me.
Did you hear that? They saying like how bass tastes bad and all that.
They said bass tastes bad.
Yeah.
They don't know what he talking about.
No, he was saying that that's what people be trying to say.
Oh, people don't know what they talking about.
Real bloody red meat there, kind of filtered out.
Yeah, guys. So what you're gonna do is I'm kind of struggling because this is my one of my first drums. I didn't do too well my first time, but we're gonna go through.
And we're just gonna pan fry this, and we got some hot oil on the stove. Cast iron.
Use that little one, babe.
Yeah.
Use that little knife.
I mean, you know,
So you can get in real good with it.
You just gotta take it right here and get in on the side.
Like I did, you know. I got Melissa, and we're just drying everything. So here we go.
She has, okay.
The sheepshead, you can see it.
It's kind of like the few snaps just were.
Dry.
Oh yeah, they fried it, babe.
That's what the few just snaps was. They fried it?
Yeah, they fried it.
So I had to go up.
They bread and was bogus as hell though.
Up and over that dorsal fin right there. Those pin bones. Little pin bones. And what you want is you really only want the back, like I guess I'll call it the back strap. Right, babe?
Yeah, because they say the belly is well, we know from experience because we had about three. This is our third one, and the belly is a little tough.
It's no good.
So maybe you can eat it when you boil it for that lobster meat, but not when you fry it.
Right.
Because if you touch it, when you touch it, it's like really sturdy. It's like thick. It's like not meaty thick, but it's like rubbery thick.
Right.
It feels like rubber. Skin, they say, is not really good. We did it, and I don't just listen to what people say.
Yeah, me neither.
I use we do our own techniques, but it's really hard. So we just take it all off and just meat. That's the piece that you want.
That's the piece that you want right there. Nice, beautiful piece of meat.
Yeah, and we don't really have any red stripes.
No red, because this is a
red stripes in here.
This is a smaller drum.
Yeah, it is.
But
because we had big drums.
We had a bigger drum before.
To be honest, we never had any red
no red
stripes in there, red
bloodline
or anything in there.
You know, we had.
So we were kind of lucky.
Yeah, we lucked out. And then you didn't want to take it.
Turn your knife up at the back and then take it and keep going.
You just kind of taking your knife and you flexing it off the skin.
Yeah.
Right on up.
Oh,
you got
look.
a skinless, boneless.
Beautiful.
Fillet.
I just want you to know
Piece of meat.
you're my favorite fish. No, he ain't, but it's bass. But we gonna keep it like
So, yeah, guys. So I'm gonna finish this fish up now, man, and you know we'll be back with you when we get them in the frying grease.
Boom.
This is Ivory.
Look, y'all.
So
we just got them out of the fish. I'm trying to cover that up.
This is what you get out of the gas MAGOO.
This is what you get out of the freshwater drum. I call them diamonds, y'all. Pearls. I call them pearls.
Yeah, blood that out, You're not trying to get all the blood for y'all.
They're like two big teeth to me, y'all.
They remind me of tuna.
They say it worth their expensive or whatever, but we're not keeping them for money. We keeping them for good luck. So no, you cannot have them. All right, see ya.
Just thought we'd show y'all something cool. This our third time to do this, so we just thought we'd share with y'all.
Share a little pride.